Hello friends, welcome to another travel TikTok from Romania on the road. So, I wanted to talk to you about what is master resale rights. Master resale rights means that you can resell digital products that you purchase one time, that are done for you, already made, that you just have to set up one time. It's an automation system that is working for you 24/7, which is going to help you to sell your digital products even while you are on a holiday, and even while you are sleeping, or even while you have fun with your family. The product that I'm selling is a product that is going to teach you all the skills how you can resell this product online and earn 100% profit from every sale that you make, as if it is your own product. So that is what makes this product so interesting, because you can earn $900 a day if you would make one customer a day through social media, where you are going to promote your products, which you are going to learn in the products that you sell. And that makes it very interesting, because then you can make $900 or even more if you have more customers a day. And that is what makes digital marketing so interesting. This product that I'm selling is called Legacy Builders 2.0, which is actually now also gives you the possibility to get certified. And not only that, the program is also going to teach you how to master a 2 hours workday, which means that you only have to do like 2 hours a day, where you are going to record videos on social media, or you are going to go live on social media, where you are going to promote your products, and the program will teach you how to master that in 2 hours a day. So no matter what niche you will choose, no matter if you like, let's say, traveling, or if you like cooking, or if you like fishing, or whatever the thing is that you like most, you can just do what you love to do. You can start making videos, and in the same time you can promote your digital product and earn 100% profit from every sale that you make. So if you think that you need any technical skills for this, then let me tell you, I did not have any technical skills either, but it is beginner friendly, and the program will teach you step by step how to set up your system, which is already done for you. You will get all the emails that are going to be sent out to your customers already done for you. You just have to tweak them to your own brand. The setup will take like maybe maximum 3 or 4 days, I think, depending on how fast you learn, of course. But after it is set up, you are ready to go and start selling your digital product. So if you are interested to learn how to make $900 days, drop me a comment, and comment ready in the comment box, and I would love to share this proven blueprint with you. I will share my link with you, and then I will ask you to enter your email so that I can send you all the details for free, and then you can start checking if this is something that you would like to do too. So for now, everybody, God bless you, and I hope you will have a wonderful day today. And maybe I will hear from you in the comment box. Bye bye.